Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to give you an update. I'm shooting on this camera. I've reset the camera completely because I was having some issues with my previous video where autocomplete was all over the place. So the camera I'm shooting on today is Sony A7c, and I'm using the kit lens. I think it's FE456 28-60mm or something like that. Yeah, I don't know much about lenses, so if you're somebody who are into lenses, please do let me know in the comment section. So what I did was I was having problem because I was playing with the settings and I think I got the camera all over the place. So this video right now I'm shooting, I reset the camera and I'm just shooting raw content. I just pressed the autofocus on the camera and I believe the autofocus is actually working. So I have this thing here. I'm going to test it to see if it's actually works. So what I'm going to do, I'm putting the thing here. Can you see? You can see now it's making this thing look, and I'm still in focus. So if I move the camera closer, you can see, if I move the object closer, you can see I'm still in focus. That's how good the autofocus is. So I'm going to put it up again. Yeah, I'm going to just pick anything here, any object about this camera. So I don't know if you can see that. I'm just putting anything. I'm going to put a trainer to see if you can still see. Yeah, see how good the autofocus is. Look, it's very, very good. Yes, now if I move it, you can see I'm still in focus. Now the object is gone, it's missing. Right, so now look, the object is looking good. The camera is actually good. I'm going to try another trainer so they can see what are the autofocus is good or not. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? Yeah, so do me a little favor. If you just joined this channel, please do subscribe to the video, and also let us know what you like about our channel. And if you're just a new viewer, what made you want to be part of Ghana Friendship? The focus is to hit 1 million one day, and one of the reason why I'm doing this video is I bought a new camera and I'm testing it, and it's just fun playing with softwares, playing with settings. At the moment you can see I have my laptop editing here. I don't know if you can see my laptop. Yeah, so it's like a little office because you have to use the space you got, because I don't have a big house, so I'm using every space I got. At the moment I'm shooting on my desk and I'm using a Joby stick. I removed the head because it's too tall, so I want to be in focus as well. So yeah, so that's the reason. I've just updated my iPhone as well. I'm using so look how beautiful is that. Look, I'm using iOS. Where's the focus? Come on, focus. Let's get, I think I have to, yeah, so it's iOS 15. If you're using an iPhone, if you updated your iOS to 15, please do let me know in the comment section. So I'm just going to switch it back on. Yeah, it says up. It's definitely updated. I just have to enter my pin code. All right, yep, there you go. iOS, come on, where's the autofocus? I want to see autofocus. There you go, autofocus, come on. Autofocus, autofocus, come on. What do you do? I think you move it. Yeah, can you see that? A little bit closer, 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 right? There you go. All right, so that's my iOS 15 updated. Now I can start using my phone. Face ID later. Don't use Face ID because my face is too oily. Oh no, I don't want to use it. Come on, Face ID. Now it's stuck. Yeah, right, so I got distracted a little bit. So what I was going to say is I bought this camera just to shoot indoor, especially because when I'm indoor and it's low light, I believe this camera will do a great job. As you can see right now, it's very steady, it's very clear. You can see my beard and my skin very, very clear. Yeah, so that's the main reason of buying the camera. It's just an update, I just thought, I play with the camera to see if my settings are actually working or if I didn't waste money on this AC. Nothing really. I'm still doing the renovation, and I will definitely post that video. I just have so much in my mind right now, like just editing a lot of video, a lot of content work, and it's just so much. And I hope you can relate to, I know you've been to that position before where there's so much going on, and yeah, so like me, if you feel the same, sometimes where you have too much in your mind and you can't just focus, like the camera can focus sometimes. Yeah, please do let me know in the comment section. Like today is just playing with the camera settings, and I thought the only way to play with the camera is when I record myself play with objects, you know. I don't know what else here what I could actually show you guys. I also shoot with these items here, you know. Do you see my lighting gear? So these are my things that are sets I use when I'm shooting indoor, you know. It's kind of have like a, how do you call it, a leg. So I mount it behind, then the lights project on me, especially when I'm shooting at night. What else? I have this one for my DJI gimbal, which I used to do live videos a lot with. Yeah, so most of my live videos I use this baby right here, and also when I'm in a cafe I use this Joby stick I'm using to shoot right now. And I also use this guy here, this object here. I use this to protect my GoPro, because should in case the GoPro fell or bounce, you know, I could just save that GoPro. And I also use ND filter, which I've shown you guys before. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Come on, autofocus, autofocus. There you go. Can you see the ND filter? I bought this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to purchase. I use it for my GoPro a lot. And what else do I have? I use my Beats headsets when I'm editing videos and I don't want noise and I don't want my wife to be disturbed. I use my Beats headset. And what else? I have a lot of cables which I've used. Like when I'm editing and I want my GoPro charge, I have these long cables. Yeah, I have a lot of clutter here. If you want to see my clutter, maybe I need to do a full video on what kind of gadgets I use. So do you see my gadgets, some of the gadgets I use? So this one, if I want a steady shot, I mount the GoPro here, and then I just hold it like that. Do you see that? I just hold it and it's very steady. I don't even know where my GoPro is. I think it's probably in my backpack somewhere. Yeah, so at the moment I'm just exporting a video. The video, I don't know if you can, let me just see if you can see that. Yeah, I'm just exporting a video. It's processing at the moment. The video, I don't know whether you like the video or not. If you did like the video, because this will be out there for you to see. If you did enjoy it, because it was raw, autofocus was all over the place. And if you're somebody who use these big cameras and there's any recommended settings for me, please put your tips in the comment box. It's very important. These things here, you know, it's not just a stand. I use it a lot to vlog. So let's say if I'm on a beach or I'm just in a forest and I need to do a b-roll of myself, I mount this in the corner and then I mount the camera on this, because you can just remove it. And also I use it as my GoPro like vlogging stick. Yeah, I just vlog like that. Yeah, so it's really good. I have a lot of gadgets. I think I have to do a full video like what kind of gadgets I use. This is just a quick testing the autofocus and also testing the external microphone to see how good this is actually is in indoor, because I'm recording in a small space. I don't even know, maybe in future I should use a backdrop. I'll think about that, but I'll share this with you guys so that you can see what kind of gadgets I use. But if you do like the quality, because I'm going to use this camera a lot indoor because there's a lot of content out there I want to share with you guys. I think that's it really. There's nothing. I'll put some time lapse after the video so that you can enjoy the view from the balcony of our apartment. And if you do enjoy this part of this review, is it review? I don't know. If you do enjoy, if you think the Sony is actually better with autofocus, please do let me know. I'm just going to flick things. You can see the autofocus is pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. You can see this very clearly. Yeah. That's autofocus because these objects are in focus and I'm there in the background. Yeah, so guys, I will take my time to do like a proper full review of which kind of gadgets I use to create content. But until then, another episode just end like that. Do me a little favor though, do subscribe and hit the notification button on so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Thank you. Until then, bye for now.